Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your card on Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device. From the main screen, simply navigate to the Cash Card tab. You will then tap Get Free Cash Card to begin the ordering process. Take a moment to customize your card's design and color to your liking. Finally, confirm your shipping address and personal details to ensure your new card arrives safely at your doorstep in about 10 business days. Once your physical Cash Card arrives in the mail, the next step is activation. Open the Cash App again and go to the Cash Card tab. You will see an option to activate Cash Card. The easiest way is to scan the QR code located on the card's packaging. If scanning isn't possible, you can manually enter the card's CVV number and expiration date. After this quick step, your new Cash Card will be fully activated and ready for all your purchases. After successfully activating your Cash Card, you can enhance its convenience by adding it to your mobile wallet. Within the Cash App, select your activated Cash Card. You will find a button to add to Apple Pay or add to Google Pay, depending on your device. Simply follow the straightforward on-screen prompts to complete the integration. This enables you to make secure and swift contactless payments using just your phone or smartwatch, offering a seamless transaction experience at millions of locations. Managing your Cash Card is incredibly easy and secure, all from within the app. You can access your card settings at any time. For instance, you have the power to instantly enable or disable your card with just one tap, providing excellent security if you misplace it. You can also adjust spending limits to help manage your budget effectively. Furthermore, you can view your complete transaction history and quickly report a lost or stolen card to protect your funds immediately. These features give you full control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.